Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something weird is happening. I've had a flood of messages and comments of, I got an update today for Windows 10, and I don't know what it is. And of course, if you look at the Twitter blog for Windows Update, nothing has been released today. And we had one of those weird updates that happened a few weeks ago that we talked about, and that kind of came back. So, if you're in Windows 10, go into your settings and to Windows Update, you might see an update. And what is even worse of how weird this is, now I go to Update History, and it tells me that today, 4023057 has been installed. Now, if you click on it, it brings you to a blog post that talks about this update, and the blog post is actually a blog post that dates back kind of a long time. It doesn't have any dates on this page here. It says Windows 10, Windows 11, and it has information here of file information. But when you start looking at the updates, here's a curiosity. So, update 4023057. Let's start going down here on this list. And you will notice that there's an update 4023057, 26th of October. And then we continue on to notice that an update that is called 4023057 was installed in April. And then we get 4023057 that was installed in February. So this is very weird. And there's another one installed in October 2021. It's kind of a recurring update that's there all the time. And I don't know why we haven't noticed this before, but this is weird. Maybe because we haven't seen it install. I noticed that it was very quick. It pretty much didn't ask for a restart or anything, so it's easy to miss. But I'm curious about you guys. Why don't you go and check it out? So on the original post of 4023057, it says that this fixes problems with Windows Update. It's kind of a partly a servicing stack info or fix, and it's kind of related to Windows Update apparently. So it says it improves the reliability of the Windows Update service components. So that is kind of weird. So if you guys had an update that is that one, well, I got it too, and we kind of have no explanation of what it is. It's almost as if they're fixing Windows Update every 2 months or something. Kind of weird. And there was also a .NET framework on this Windows 10 machine at the same time. So did you guys get the update? And if you go see your updates history, do you see it installed multiple times? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.